Hey, let's go see your present. Let's pause Tom and Jerry. Come on, let's go see what Daddy's got.
What's up?
What do you think?
You ready?
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Close them tight. Ready? You got them tight? Oh my goodness.
What is that?
Whoa.
Mama, friend it.
Where's our present? That is your present. Where's your present?
Where's our present? This is your present.
That is
Look
your
at it.
present. It's a race car.
He's looking around for a present. Well, look at all of them.
Well, why don't you step back and look at your race
Come here.
car?
Come look at your car. Come here, bed. This is your new bed.
That was hilarious. Where's my presents?
Look at it. Look. That's a race car.
I need my bracelet.
Which big truck do you need? There's a buttload of big trucks. Which one? Look at these. This guy even got a little race car track.
I think he thought he was getting a big truck as a present.
I found that fire truck.
Our truck works.
The fire truck. Open the truck.
Do you like your car bed?
Yeah, I like it. Go away.
Yeah, that's your new bed. You're going to have this until you're like 18, so.